Another episode of Cloud Adventure video series. So today I want to show you how to use CloudFormation to deploy infrastructure as code. Quick one. So CloudFormation allows you to deploy infrastructure on AWS with set of code. You can define your code in a JSON file or in a YAML file. So pretty much straightforward. So for this particular video tutorial, I want to deploy this microservice architecture. It has a public load balancer, then ECS cluster. So the ECS cluster is where I house all my microservices. So I'll be deploying one service which I've already wrapped inside my CloudFormation file. So this is what the architecture looks like. So because the video will be short, so I had to define the CloudFormation template. This is my code, and basically deploying this helps me to deploy the infrastructure as code. I can save. The idea behind deploying your infrastructure as code is to save your code maybe in a repo so that other systems operations engineers or DevOps engineers can collaborate with you. You can make changes to this code if you want to release a new upgrade. So let's just get started. I'm going to copy the code right now. So let's open CloudFormation. So let me close this. Leave. So I'm going to create stack, create templates in a designer. So what you want to do is you want to click on your templates. I'm going to select YAML formats. So let's delete this and paste in our code. So I've pasted my code. First thing, I want to validate the code. So it's validating the template. So the template is valid. Click on upload. So it's redirecting me back. Yes. Next. Click on next. So I want to give it a name. So I just want to call this Sam. Desired capacity. If you look at this, so I want to deploy an ECS cluster. But within an ECS cluster, how many instances do you want? I want two to start with. Right, my T2 macro is fine. Key name, I have a key already. The maximum size should be 3. Yeah, because of autoscaling. Also, the CloudFormation template is also doing autoscaling. So here you want to select private subnets. I would like to, based on my own design pattern, I love to put my backend instances in a private network for security reasons. So selected one. I need 2 at least. So private B. So we have to the public subnet, public A, and public B. That's fine.